Hello. Good afternoon to everyone. I'm very happy to be here and I'm very happy always to support the endeavors of City of Manila. Kasi ako, laking Maynila rin ako. Dito ako lumaki. Batang Tondo ako. My dad is from Balut, Tondo, and my mom is from Gagalangin, Tondo. So talagang Tondo girl rin ako. Lumaki talaga ako sa Tondo. I'm very excited because ang daming mga taong sobrang malaki ang talents dito sa City of Manila. Hindi lang mga gwapo katulad ni Yorme, mga magaganda katulad ni Mikey Quintos. Alam kong galing Maynila rin, laking Maynila, si Bitoy.
And former First Lady.
Former First Lady.
Miss Manila yan.
Ay, oo, yes. Miss Manila. So nakikita na natin na Manila is very rich in talented, beautiful individuals. So GMA is very excited to partner with Miss Manila para sa mga candidates darating at lalo na sa mananalo para mabigyan sila ng opportunity to enter the showbiz industry. So we're very excited na makilala na sila. Thank you.
Yeah, you're also excited. Maraming salamat. For sure, they're going to be sparkling. Of course, as they get to enter this pageant, get to see, of course, not only the beauty, but the brains, and of course, the culture that they bring with them. Our pageant contestants or delegates for the Miss Manila. And of course, nasabi na ni Miss Annette, no, na hindi lang mga gwapo at maganda ang meron sa Manila. Kundi meron din tayong mga respetado at buong pusong naglilingkod sa bayan or sa City of Manila. So ladies and gentlemen, of course, let me call on and please give a warm welcome to the leader of Manila that we all get inspired because of his story and his hard work. How about a big hand for Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, to our friends in the media, especially showbiz journalists, and to the bloggers at the station. And I would like to welcome again ang tunay na Batang Maynila, Annette Gozon. Ang GMA po, talaga totoo po yun, yung father niya and the family, merong roots, deep roots sa lungsod ng Maynila. And Voltaire, welcome to Manila. Na aming pinakamagandang tourism officer, Director Crystal Bagaching. We're very excited as a city to showcase to the world the beauty and talent and intelligence of individuals who has a story to tell about Manila and experience Manila. So residents and non-residents who have a story to tell and their experience, life experience here in Manila can now join the prestigious competition, Beauty, Talent, and Intelligence competition sa City of Manila. Kung kayo po'y uusog ng kaunti sa kasaysayan, makikita po ninyo, wala pa hong Miss Universe o Binibining Pilipinas, meron na pong Miss Carnival. And Miss Carnival is considered as Binibining Pilipinas at the time. And one of the famous individual who is very known to us is formerly First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos. Na naging Miss Manila along the way through the leadership of our former mayors in the city. Then when they started it, Lacson, Villegas, Bagaching, and so on and so. So we are now continuing what they built in the past. Ang mga pamana sa amin, ang aming mga dating pamunuan sa lungsod ng Maynila. And in our own little way as a city government, to support talented individuals, to showcase their skills. Ayun naman ang purpose nito lahat. And I am also grateful to GMA7 and Empire PH joining and helping, and actually not only taking the lead of our activities in the city. So, sa ating mga magagandang dilag, maganda, matalino, at talentado, isa lamang po masasabi ko, nasabi na sa inyo ang petsa, isa lang po masasabi ko, welcome po kayo sa Maynila. And lastly, this is also the new tagline, tourism tagline, Manila May Manila, is also showing our being, as a city, being grateful to a national artist, Nick Joaquin, who wrote so many things, history. Itong si Nick Joaquin, may isang libro po yan na baka inaalikabukan na sa mga library ninyo, buksan po ninyo. Pag nakita nyo po dun yung inilathala, isinulat ni Nick Joaquin, talaga pong maiisip ninyo, ang lalim pala talaga ng bahagi ng Maynila sa buong Pilipinas pagpatungkol sa kasaysayan at kaganapan. Kaya minabuti naming ibalik yung salitang Maynila May Manila so that it's telling you it is not only our Manila, it is your Manila, your Manila, your Manila. Kumbaga, it's my Manila. Because one way or another, kung hindi man kayo, lalo na ang kabataan ngayon, sigurado ako one way or another, generally speaking, your parents and grandparents have a story to tell about Manila. Kaya yun po ang aming kampanya ngayon na ang Manila is para sa lahat. Ito'y Kapitolyo ng bansa, what you call the window of opportunity of our elders in the past. They went here to make it. A lot of them made it. And we want to give also Manila today and tomorrow as an opportunity for anybody, and in this case, somebody who will present to the world. Kasi sabi ng Empire PH, pag mananalo daw dito, sasali na sa Miss Universe Philippines. Tama ba? Pag nadali yun doon, isasali sa buong mundo. That's why this is an opportunity for everyone. So muli sa inyong lahat, to Ma'am Annette, thank you very much, to the GMA family, Empire, and to the DDCAM family, and sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Welcome po kayo sa Maynila.
Palakpakan natin. Good Mayor. Maraming salamat po. Nakakatuwa na. Alam mo yung Mayor natin ay sumusuporta din sa talento at ganda ng mga taga-Manila at ng buong Pilipinas. Ika nga kasi nga, ire-representa ang buong Pilipinas sa mundo just in case for the Miss Universe Philippines or the Miss Universe already. And I love the story of Manila, May Manila, nung sinabi palalo ng ating mayor, no, kung bakit nga ba binabalik yun, no, from Nick Joaquin, one of our national artists. Nakakatuwa, no? Because I also would love to point out that somehow when we say Manila, May Manila, parang nagkakaroon, syempre, apart from pride, responsibility na akin to Anong gagawin ko sa Maynila ko? And it's so nice that we are given that right, privilege, and that responsibility as well. Kaya naman, the responsibility belongs to you right now. We are opening the floor for questions from you, our friends from the media. Okay, sino bang mauuna? Balita ko, sa letter A muna tayo. Sir Arman?